So the drag radials aren't really a drag radial anymore. They're pretty much slicks. So we put the street tires back on 14 pounds. Let's go see what it does. Something very, very bad has happened. Well, that was 57 miles an hour. We're still making tire noise. Definitely loud. Hello everybody. Well, with the racing season over, what else is there to do except for go camp out and bring the Turbo Town Car to a side-by-side vlog event? Let's do it.
A few moments later.
Bowie. So, there you go. There you go. It's the day of the event, and we're at the gas station. Waiting for Dad.
Like always.
They're doing stuff. Yep. So, time to go hang out with the side-by-side vlog, guys. Dad sneaking, pulls a Red Bull.
Who's this there? The done?
Okay. Okay. Yay, let's go. Oh, there's Mike right there. Two-step check.
So no tape measure, we can see where they fall perfect. Oh boy.
Congratulations on the babies.
Oh, must be our busy time.
Now you can say one time when you're done.
Last time we were like an hour and a half late.
Unless you do the whole farm to girl.
Yeah, we're chilling. I got it.
Don't get bored. I'll bring you home. Obviously, you guys are busy as hell.
what they just say? What happened?
I think a lot of people thought I actually totaled it. Like, I can't believe it's here. Like, no, I just took an arm.
Parts of what was said about not turning a trail rig and trail rig and like.
Jenna, let me see.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We have everybody. Ta-da!
What are you? It's all strapped in there right now.
Happy early birthday!
I knew it. You did? Because the way Dad was smiling at me.
I already told him he's not very good at being a secret.
Never been good at this.
No.
Me and DJ had this conversation, and he sees it the same way I see.
Oh my god. Well, he told DJ, and I'm like, babe, a surprise. Like. Yeah. Are you ready?
Coming on. Now, he's going quicker, so that's really nice. Go right with you. Go on this side that way.
Perfect.
Nice!
When you go to take off, drag your foot a little bit. So you feel it,
Don't drag
balance.
it a lot, but
Right.
you don't have to worry about keep getting your footing. Just kind of let it roll out.
Once you, you'll feel it like a bike. Once you have your balance, you'll feel it. You just pick it up. Throttle back. Real touchy. Look at it.
Got like this perfect sun right? That is.
Happy. Riding with it, and as you get more used to it, you will be with the bike. You'll be, you know, when you let off the gas and it starts to come like this, you'll already be, you know, getting ready for that. Yeah, oh, absolutely.
At
The
balancing, you gotta get good at balancing at a long enough period. Like right here, you're putting your foot down so fast, you don't get a chance to feel
The balance. And what the ground feels like with balance.
right. By the time you get your foot up, it's almost like you have to slow that down. And the longer the foot, when you get your foot up, you have more time to feel comfortable.
What the bike does.
What the bike is doing. I'm better on the wheels, so I can't ride forward with my bike.
Doing nothing to make it skinnier.
Good job. There we go. Good job. Very good job.
And roll. That's what you make this thing. You got it 100. Perfect foot drag.
Hey man,
That's
that was
the big thing with the
almost
turning
had
is
it. That's-
remembering
no, that
to basically bring it forward.
That way.
You don't, you ghost the turn. It's easier.